friends, today we are going to discuss what is physical quantities and the types of physical quantities. So when you say physical quantities, what does that mean? These are things that we can be measured at the same time. They have what? Magnitude and what? A unit. That is to say, these are quantities that have what? A measurable physical properties to which numerical value can be assigned. Are we getting it? Now you can measure the area of what? Pastoral center. Let's say 10 meter square. Are we getting it? So this is called the magnitude. This is called what? The unit. So the area of pastoral center is what? A physical quantity. Even you can measure what? The temperature of your body. Temperature is what? Is a physical quantity. Are we getting it? So when you say physical quantity, anything that you can measure, are we getting it? As well as it has what? A magnitude and what? A unit. So in this case, what are some of the example of non-physical quantities? Example, we have emotions, we have love, and sadness. All these things you cannot what? Measure them. Do we get in the concept? So we have two types of physical quantity. We have the base or fundamental quantities. When you say base or fundamental quantities, these are quantities that are independent of other quantities. That is to say, they provide a unit of measurement. Do we get in the concept? Okay. So physics acknowledge that we have 7 main fundamental quantities. What are some of these 7 main fundamental quantities? For you to get them, have this trick. I stand tall, write what? LMT. Are we getting it? So this T means time, while this A means what? Amount of substance. While this one means what? Length. While this guy means what? Luminous intensity. Are we getting it? While this C means what? Current. While this means what? The mass. T means temperature. So just take the concept. I stand tall, write what? CMT. So this is a trick. So we have time, amount of substance, length, luminous intensity, current, mass, temperature. So these are the 7 main fundamental quantities. Mind you, these 7 main fundamental quantities, they have what? Unit. Like the unit for this time is what? Seconds. The symbol is S. While this, the symbol and the SI unit of this amount of substance is what? Mole. For length is what? Meter. Luminous intensity is what? Candela. The symbol is what? CD. Current is ampere. The symbol is A. While this is what? Kg. Kilogram. This is what? Kelvin. Are we getting it? The symbol is K. So fundamental or base quantities, these are quantities that are independent of other quantities. That is to say, they provide a unit of measurement. Are we getting it? So when you say derived quantity, from the word derived, if you understand the meaning of derived, the word derived, it means what? When you say derived quantities, these are quantities that are obtained by combining 2 or more what? Base or fundamental quantities. That is to say, you get these derived quantities when you combine 2 or more what? Base or fundamental quantities. Are we getting it? For instance, we have area. Area is one of the examples of derived quantities. Are we getting it? Area is one of the examples. How does the area connect with what? Base or fundamental quantity. When we say area, the formula is length times breadth. Are we getting it? Length times breadth. So you go for density. Density is also one of the examples. Density is mass all of what? Volume. Are we getting it? We have also volume. The formula for volume is what? Length times breadth times height. So as you can see, length being connected by three fundamental or base quantities. This length, breadth, and what? Height. Look at this also. Density is being connected with what? Mass. And there is the formula for volume is what? Length times breadth times what? Height. Do we get in the concept? I hope you understand the concept. So physical quantities, these are quantity that you can measure. Anything that you can measure, they are what? Physical quantity. Do we get in the concept? So please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Superstar Academy 05. Thank you for watching.